Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing an original unboxing on the Foreign Legion's famas. I'm going to be using these Soft Air 2000 glow-in-the-dark BBs, and later I don't like it so it's clear, so I'm going to be painting it with some flat black paint. I just got this at Walmart for $1.98. Really good. I was going to get the Krylon Ultra Flat, but they didn't have it. So, hold on. So it's still in the shrink wrap, so. It's falling. I hate opening these things. Hold on. Okay, so I got that off. Let me set this down real fast. Here it is. Here's the box. Open it. Here's what, oh my god, here's what you get. A whole bunch of papers come out. Directions. Airsoft catalog. There's the gun. She's big. Okay, I'm just gonna. Alright. Here's the gun. It's about a reasonable weight. Got a kind of a weird safety there. See that? Oh. Switch it back and forth. There's that. Here's the automatic BB loader. What you do is take this, stick it down there, and while the BBs are in there, you stick this rod in there, and push it down, and they slide through there. So that's pretty cool. Now they're launching fireworks off. Now this thing. A lot of people say it's a mock silencer, say it's a muzzle flash. I don't care what it is, just stop leaving crappy comments saying it's a mock silencer, it's a muzzle flash, or it's just a barrel extension or so. Say something smart or don't say anything at all. Some BBs. These are probably 0.2 grams or 0.20. Here's a, looks like a, what do you call it? Harness or a strap or something. Here's the clip. It's about a reasonable weight. But first, that's the first section of this video. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the famas, the Foreign Legions. On the next section, I'm going to be doing a shooting demonstration and how to load the clip. So, thanks for watching.